Hey, what's up, guys? Team Hard Life, Captain Albert Chichi here, and I'm bouncing all over the wall today.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call up the whole team.
I gotta get this video done to do that video, to come back and do this other video, to come back and do that video. Yes, what videos are those? Well, you're just gonna have to stay tuned and follow. And remember, we still got the drawing going on. We have we have 21 of the $30 tickets sold, and we have 47 of the $20 tickets sold. So as soon as we hit the 80 mark, we will be announcing when we're going to do the drawing. And yes, we will be holding it at Bubba's 33 in the patio area. And it looks like we'll do it about 7 o'clock. And the reason for it, it'll give everybody that's still at work at 6 enough time to get over there where we will hold the drawing. And so, again, we'd like to thank everybody who is purchasing the tickets for the drawing, because it is really helping us out big time to make the next step that we're going to do after that. So, let me get back to my opening here and go from there. But yes, we have been doing a lot of videos today, which is great because it gives me more content for the channel. And also, too, I'm about to break 900 videos posted to our channel. So if you've only just scratched the surface by checking them out, I really encourage you to go back through and look at our videos, because we have a ton of content and all kinds of things that we're doing and stuff like that. So have at it, that's for sure. But here is something that we've been working on as well, and it's our fish bites. We've got some more flavors in. And then we've got some of the original flavors that you know, the sand flea. This one has been almost dropped it. This one has been a hard flavor for us to get, but we do get it in. And actually we've got another 400 bags on back order right now. And it's 'tis the season to be slow. It just happens that way, that they shut down for a few weeks during December and January. So we're basically getting in what we can just to make sure we got some kind of fish bites. But at the same time too, there was tricks of using these fish bites and still making it do with the color combinations of the other fish bites we're doing. What we were doing was we were putting, say you had shrimp pink and shrimp green or chartreuse. Well, what you do is mix the two different colors of shrimp on the same hook, and that increased our bite hookups big time. So if you can't get your hands on, say, the power lines, the electric chickens, or the flesh pink, you can do it yourself with the regular flavors. You just have to buy more fish bites. That's the only drawback. But at the same time too, you have that much more fish bites, so you don't have to go back to the store as quickly as you normally would. Food for thought on that. So right here we've got the, if I can see a label, it's the pink shrimp. We got your orange shrimp, and we have the yellow shrimp, and we got chartreuse shrimp right here, and then we got our sand flea. So we got a lot of shrimp flavors in, and there's more to come the next trip, that's for sure. But now I gotta go through, count them all, get them up on the wall, and we can go from there. And actually I gotta go make another delivery too. I gotta pull a bunch of these bags for a delivery already. Yes, great. So stay tuned. Drawings coming y'all's way, and we got something special for the veterans coming up as well. I'll be meeting with them today, and as soon as I do, and I got concrete proof or concrete dates and times and so forth, we'll be sharing that with you. Again, guys, y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching our channel. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Give us a call if you want to place any orders at 361-334-2171. And yes, we do ship all the time. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. This is Albert.